Imagine a doorbell camera that not only secures your home, but also integrates seamlessly with your smart devices, personalizes automations, and offers subscription-free storage options. Meet the AQARA G4, the first and still the only battery-powered doorbell to support Apple HomeKit secure video. With features like local facial recognition and voice-changing privacy, it's setting a new standard. But is it the perfect fit for your home? Let's find out. The AQARA G4 stands out with its sleek and modern design. You'll notice it is a bit wider than most doorbell cameras. Why? Because it packs 6 AA batteries inside, giving you up to 4 months of battery life. Of course, you can hardwire it directly for continuous power if you prefer. And while it is weatherproof, I'd recommend placing it in a sheltered area for even more durability. Installing the G4 is straightforward. Whether you choose battery power or hardwiring it, just one tip. Pay close attention to the battery access screw on the side. If you mount it too close to a corner, you'll block access, which can be a hassle later. Plan your placement wisely. The G4 delivers full 1080p HD video with a wide 162-degree field of view. Take note, because the image capture is so wide, which is great, the 16:9 aspect ratio may miss packages left directly below the camera. But it gives you excellent coverage of the street and surrounding property, perfect for spotting visitors or monitoring activity. The two-way audio is clear, and the voice-changing feature adds a unique layer of privacy, letting you sound like a robot or even Uncle Joe. Here's where the AQARA G4 shines. It's the first battery-powered doorbell to support Apple HomeKit secure video. This means encrypted video storage in iCloud and seamless integration with your Apple devices. If you're not an Apple user, don't worry. It also works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. The local AI facial recognition is a game changer. It recognizes family members and alerts you accordingly. But it can also trigger automations, like unlocking my U300 smart lock when I approach. This all happens quickly and efficiently thanks to local processing. No internet required. You can fine-tune the G4's motion sensitivity to match your needs, whether you're avoiding false alarms from small animals or ensuring it picks up motion further away. This flexibility makes it easy to customize. Day or night, the G4 keeps your home secure. Its infrared night vision ensures clear video, even in complete darkness, giving you peace of mind 24/7. AQARA has nailed it with storage options. 7 days of free cloud storage, no subscription required. Plus, support for micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes in the included chime repeater. And here's the kicker. Since the SD card is inside the chime repeater, your footage stays safe and secure, even if your camera itself gets vandalized or stolen. You'll always have access to the footage. Now that's real peace of mind. I've started using the G4 to trigger smart automations. For example, every time I open my door and step outside at night, my porch light turns on automatically. And here's the slick part. It's all triggered by the visual motion the camera detects. This is just the start. For instance, I've even linked it to my U300 lock for seamless unlocking automations. The possibilities are endless. Speaking of possibilities, what automations would you create with the G4? Comment below. I'd love to get creative with your ideas. Let's break down the pros and cons. The pros: battery-powered HomeKit secure video, fast local AI facial recognition, customizable motion sensitivity, subscription-free storage, wide smart home compatibility, wide 16:9 field of view. The cons: slightly wider design. The 16:9 aspect ratio might miss packages directly below. The battery access screw does require careful mounting. The AQARA G4 is more than a doorbell camera. It's a powerful addition to your smart home ecosystem, enabling seamless automations and advanced security features. Want to learn more about the U300 Smart Lock this video doorbell pairs perfectly with? Click here for that video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more smart home content. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for sticking around till the end. I'll see you next time.